Hi folks, it's Ben here with Pierre Driving School. Evening lesson here. We're gonna do a few observations here. Live in the parking mall. Okay, see how much I'm paying attention to my both direction, but the direction I'm going, that's what I pay more attention to. We're going straight across. As you live in the mall here, because we had a lesson here, then as you're going around, never go all type of crazy. Reason why? People reversing, people popping at any pop out at any minute. You pay good attention as you could, so that can be in your way. You don't want any unexpected action. You see, checking to the left here, pay good attention. Okay, making a right turn here. Check both sides. Okay, nice and smooth. Live in the mall. Okay, we're in the strip mall here. Going on continue our day. Right turn here at the corner. See how I'm pushing? Paying attention, is there traffic on my left side coming? No. Okay. All right, shoulder right. See, I keep checking my left. Right side is good. Okay, continue to go. And until I get full clearance completely off, then I drive normal. When you're driving on mall, on parking lot, you do not want to accelerate all type of crazy, because you'll be surprised how somebody just pop right out in front of you, then trouble from there. Coming up at all the way stop sign, we're gonna make a single stop where everybody can see everybody. Okay. Was your first eventually? We come second here. All right, let's continue to go. Traffic, we're going straight. Traffic is heavy here. If we're not continuing to go, they will stop us quick. We're making a right turn at the corner coming here. Then towards more to your right, mirror right, shoulder right, and make the turn. But you're always on the lookout, folks. If you guys notice, always on the lookout. At the traffic light coming up, we're gonna make a left turn from a one-way street to a two-way road. We're gonna make the left turn and fall to the closest left lane. A lot of people get this confused. How is the light? Looking good, is in our favor. We have time to clear the turn. And always what? Still check over the shoulder for people that was thinking that we slow. Make the turn where? To the closest left lane. And later on, what do we do by yourself? You signal to the right. You mirror right, shoulder right, and go over. Why is that? Student, for the purpose of the road test, must keep the right side of the road whenever is safe. Keyword, safe. If it's not safe, do not go over to your right. Keep on the lane until it's safe to move over. Making a right turn at the light here. Mirror right, shoulder right, and make the turn. And fall where? To the closest right lane. Okay, to the closest right lane. And then what? Continue to drive to the closest right lane, because student must always be on the right side of the road anyway. Okay, car too much here, making a left, signal left, shoulder left. I'm making a left turn at the light. I will have to move over to the left because I cannot make the left turn from the right lane. That will be one. Okay, left turn here, signal left. We're gonna go in the turn lane, mirror left, shoulder left, and go over and go line up for the turns. Traffic is clean. I'm gonna pull to the middle with my front bumper aligned to the yellow line. Wait for the traffic that coming ahead clear before I make my turn. Traffic is clear. Mirror left, shoulder left, and make my turn slightly to fall right into my lane. When I finish recovering from the turn, then I accelerate slightly until I move in shape with the full acceleration. You do not accelerate heavy going through the turn, because the car will be going the direction the tires are, and this is a thing that you do not want to do at your road test. Beautiful. The car ahead have some manners. Let the traffic come in clear, that's good. Because most of the time they do not do that. All the way stop sign, completely stop. Okay, we're here first, yeah? Then continue to go. At the light, right turn. Signal the turn. We stop when we stop seeing the first white line. Light is in our favor. Okay, mirror right, shoulder right, and make the turn forward to the closest left lane. When you're driving at night or early morning when it's dark, you need to pay more attention as if you would driving on the regular, because there's more thing to pay attention to. Okay, we're going straight at the traffic light here. At the corner coming up, we're making a right turn. Signal the turn. Halfway through, at the corner. You hear the instructions, folks? Not at the light, at the corner. We're looking here. Corner come before light. If I want you to go to the light, the instruction should have been at the traffic light, we're making a right turn, okay? Here we're making a right turn at the corner. 2 mandatory stops. First stop for humans. No humans. Second stop for traffic. Then we start paying attention to the traffic. Can clear. Still inching out because I have a blind spot on my left side. I want it to clear it. Versus Pierre. Mirror right, shoulder right, and continue to go. All right? Intersection come before lights. Corner come before lights. Lights is light. If we want you to make a turn at the light, instruction has to be clear. At the traffic light, we're making a right turn. At the light, at the corner, we're making a right turn. 2 different instructions. At the corner here, at the light here, right turn. Okay, signal the turn, see the human on the bike, mirror right, shoulder right, and go with the turn. See the difference, folks? And from here, we go straight across. Could have signal here for the traffic on the left side, but it was too close to the corner. At the corner here, we're making a right turn. Corner, come before light, signal the turn, mirror right, shoulder right, and start black and get closer to the turn so nobody can fit within that gap. We make 2 mandatory stops. The first stop, you're above the stop. We're looking to the left and we're looking to the right. Is there any human crossing? No. Let's go up with the second stop, directing towards the turn at the center of this crosswalk. Yes? Yeah. Can you see clearly to the left? No. We continue to inch from there. See clear? All right. We got this. Mirror right, shoulder right. Continue to go. All right. Let's make a right turn here at the light. Mirror right, shoulder right, and make the turn. All right, folks. Now we're going to do a reverse parking. All right, while we're here, because we pick up a student here, but let me do reverse parking for you here. We signal reverse, we check, mirror, shoulder, continue to go reverse from here, all the way back. Okay, turn to the right. Line it up here. I get back in. Okay. Always park right here. Let the student come. When the student come, I want them to reverse. Make sure that they can understand that there's a car in front of them. They have to reverse so they can get clearance for them to get in the to move the car, because sometimes you take your witness at the DMV site. When you get there, there's a car in front of you that park. You have to reverse to clear the car in front of you so you can see the bumper before pull out. Some students do not do that, then that can lead to problem, because as you're going to try to squeeze out, the examiner will hit the brake, and once they hit the brake, going out is not going to be in your favor. You will not want to do that at all. All right, folks, this is going to be my last lesson for tonight, 6 to 6:45. This is going to be a 45-minute lesson. Let me know in the comment below if anything you want me to cover in particular. All right, if you're here for the first time, like, share, and subscribe. This has been with Pierre Driving School. Until then, keep practicing. This channel is all about driving. Take care now, folks. Bye-bye.